call me if you see any kind of movements.
I think it will get Grammy, bossy.
I hope it don't get to that, you know. But in all cases, we have to prepare for it.
And then depend on some loose cannon movements.
Some Mullins must bring them in, and that we are trying.
I think we're gonna need any form of backup.
No, we have to do this ourselves. We don't want them see nobody else and anything go jump off. Because at them time there, it all get bright.
Alright.
Yeah, ranking. It done. Make sure you send the money to their account.
Butcher. What boy?
Yo, we need to lift up from your son, brother.
What boy? No. Get a vision dog. I like how it feels. It is. What kind of dream is it?
I want to listen, no, brother. Whisper me, reset me vision to come to win. But it's like them a work with ranking butcher. You see me?
That don't sound like a dream, brother. That sound like a vision. A Michael day this, you know?
Brother, right now, it's hard to trust people, you know.
Now look how we are pray for reach out to them right now.
Never want to take it too serious in a butcher. Cause the dream, you see it. Go on, man.
check that holiday. Waiting them nearly too.
We might have to go find out.
Wait, that look like Vicious. Bubbles, when you get that message here, please check it. Vicious in the area. I just that me a call to tell you.
So where the man then gone? Remember say Rankin tell we say them recruit to you. Maybe they might out today.
Oi!
Bossy, I reach you now.
Youth! Don't do that, you know.